Get her, Ryan. She's like Larson Steve. Ryan annoying Stella.
Maybe this is how Steve feels inside. With Lars.
It is.
Well, you don't care about the sock anymore, do you?
No.